12, 10. Starting with a 50 to a left 4, then 60. There's a left 3 coming up. 50, left 4 short. 60, left 5 over bumps into brake for turn, left 3 late. Brake for turn, left 3 late. Right 6, 100, kinks. After the kinks is a flat crest, 80 up. At the end of the 80 is a left 4 short into right 4 over crest. Into a left 5 minus. 40. Flat crest, 40. Turn left 3, turn left 3. 20. Right 5, tightens over post. Into left 5 up. Mid crest, right 6 minus. 40.
Next.
Left 5 opens over crest 50, right 4 tightens over crest.
The thing is there.
2,
yes.
Right 4 opens over crest. 30.
Sorry, I don't know where you are.
Nope, it's okay. This is right 4 over crest. 30, left 4 tightens, left 4 tightens. Into mid crest. 40, right 4, 40, right on crest for left 4 minus short. 60, left 3 up, left 3 up. Into right 3, caution, tightens off camber. 50. Here comes the off camber. After the 50 is a right 4 short over crest. Brake for a left 4 short down. Brake for a left 4 short down.
Here?
Left 5 cut. For right 4 short up. And right 4 short over crest. Mid crest. 40. Crest left 4 plus. 40. Flat crest into left 5. Right 5 over crest. Caution, turn left 2 late.
When?
Turn left 2 late. 40. Right 4 short. 40. Right 4 minus. Tightens into left 6. Cut
Sorry. Go. Don't stop, sucker.
40, up right 3. Over crest.
Oh, flat.
Left into left 4 short.
Sorry?
50 kinks. Left 3 into right 3 short. And left 4 short up. Right layers left 4 up. Right 4 tightens 3 very late long. 50. Left 4 long. 40. Left 4 and 80. Here's the left 4. Then 80. Right 4 opens wide into right 5 minus long. 40. Left 5 minus and a bunch together. Right 4 short opens. Here's left 5. Right 4 short opens over crest into left 4 down. Tightens into 3 short and 3 minus. 40. It's all together. After the, here's their 3s. And a 3. Here's 40. Right 4 plus. Left 5 opens at crest. 50. Right on the crest into 40. Left 4 short. And right 4, tightening to 3, for turn left. Right 4 tightens to 3, for turn left 3, tightens 200. Right 6 opens that crest, 300. On 300, go mid crest. 50, brake on the crest left for right 3. Brake on the crest left for right 3.
Left or right 3?
Right 3. Be on the left for a right 3.
Okay. Sorry.
40, right 3. Down 40, left 3 over culvert. 50. Keep left for right 4, over crest wide. 60.
Sorry.
Left 4 short. 70, right 5 minus, into left 5, continue over crest.
Sorry, what it is? Okay.
Yeah, 40, flat right 6 over crest into down and left 4. 30. Should be a left 4.
Then
Right flat, 40 down, right 4. Into turn, left 3, turn, left 3, 200.
not correct. Your turn is not here.
After the turn.
The turn is over there.
Right 3, wide exit.
What it is here?
Kinks. Oh, okay, yep, turn left 3. This should be 200. Right 3, wide exit. 200 kinks. Just about at the end. Left 3 minus, tightens, wide exit. 100 over finish. The left 3, tightens.